Hello and welcome to day number 69 of the 5 Luo words our day. In today's session, we shall talk about these words: Arupiny Arwetu Aruya Asara and Asawa. So what are the meanings? Let's move. The first one is Arupiny. Arupiny is a tree that is found in semi-arid areas. It's called Arupiny or African cockwood tree. In scientific name, it's Commiphora africana. So in a sentence, you can say, Yien mar arupiny dongoga kuonde ma piny otuo. Yien mar arupiny dongoga kuonde ma piny otuo. The African cockwood tree grows in dry areas or semi-arid areas. Then the second word is Arwetu. Arwetu sometimes is spelled with a W and other times it's with a U depending on who is writing it. Means the same thing. These are pimples on your chin or your cheeks or your face or your head. Mostly they occur on men who are shaving using a sharp razor. So the pimple that comes out when you're shaving using a sharp razor is called Arwetu. So in a sentence you can say, Arwetu omako lemba. So a pimple is all over my cheek. Arwetu omako lemba. Then the third word is Aruya. Aruya. Aruya means quickly or very fast. Ochiemo aruya nikech oleo nebura. Ochiemo aruya nikech oleo nebura. He's eating fast because he's late for a meeting. Ochiemo aruya nikech oleo nebura. And our fourth word is asara. Asara. Now asara, the act of sorrow, means you cut the skin, the person's skin, and you put in some traditional medicine and you rub it in. It's traditional medicine that is mixed with some ash. So this was done by witch doctors or traditional medicine men. So asara is something that has been split open, or your body part, maybe the hands or the chest that has been split, just a tiny slit on the body using a razor blade. And then there's a special ash that is rubbed in. So in an example, you can say, Yad asara ema nyalo thiedho tuo ne no. Yad asara ema nyalo thiedho tuo ne no. So his illness or her illness can only be cured by rubbing the ash into the body using that small slit. Then the next one is Asawo. Asawo. Asawo is a river which flows after a short time. Maybe it's because it's very shallow or because the type of soil that is there. Asawo. Adwa dok dala kapok koth ochwe nikech aora cha en asawo. Adwa dok dala kapok koth ochwe nikech aora cha en asawo. Nikech aora cha en asawo. So I want to go back home early before it rains because that river floods easily. And this brings us to the end of the 5 Luo words a day. I'll see you tomorrow with more of this. And please remember to keep subscribing, keep telling your friends about the channel so that we can get a favorable feedback from everybody all over the world. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Oriti.